KTN News.
I can go to any part of Kenya without seeking anybody's permission. Least of all permission of a governor, was AU Special Envoy Leader Raila Odinga's response to Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu.
In what appears to be a joke gone bad, Waititu, who has proclaimed himself as Deputy President William Ruto's defender #1 from central Kenya, had told Odinga that he was present to officially welcome him to Kiambu, only for the former premier to fire back that he doesn't need his permission to visit Kiambu.
KTN's senior reporter Duncan Hemba with that exchange.
It appears that ODM political battalion is not taking any form of jokes, specifically from a certain quarter within Jubilee Party. This after ODM leader Raila Odinga told off Kiambu Governor of a remark he had made in his presence.
And we have no issues here. We welcome everybody who comes, and you are free to come anytime you feel like.
And the governor has had to go, but the governor was saying that is welcoming me, nobody is going to do anything to me. I just wanted to remind him that this is Kenya. I need nobody's permission to come here.
Odinga not taking Waititu's joke a day after his foot soldiers descended heavily on Deputy President William Ruto over his light touch remark on the former premier at the national prayer breakfast, a clear indication of the battle lines drawn between the Odinga and Ruto's political camps.
I can go to any part of Kenya without seeking anybody's permission. This is all the permission of a governor.
The ODM leader and AU special envoy was at the Tatu city to launch a housing project.
You know that we shook hands. These are some of the matundas of handshake.
Baba, having been rattled by Baba Yao, also landed his political punch.
We want to deal with the issues of corruption in our country, which is a cancer in our country. And we have said, and we have repeated it so many times, that corruption is an animal that we are going to deal with, irrespective of who is committing it. And this is a message, again, I want to repeat here.
On Saturday, Raila Odinga is expected to come face to face with Deputy President William Ruto when they will share a podium at the 56th Madaraka Day celebrations in Narok County. Duncan Hemba for KTN News.